Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I know it's been a long time and I really miss you guys too. So, yes, today in this video, we're going downtown Ottawa to this pink little spot because you guys all know I'm having a baby girl, and I'm telling you everything down at this little shop here pink. All the food, the drink, the cup, everything is pink, guys. And we're calling the baby nickname Blessing. So this is a little showers of blessing. So stay tuned for more. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So yes, whew, I'm out of breath these days. I only have 5 more weeks left to go. Yes, blessing is almost here. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys. I went out for tea with a few of my friends because I'm not having a baby shower or anything. This is baby number 3, and with this is a girl. And Michaela, the last one was a girl, so I have like a lot of stuff from Michaela and everything. So I just went out for a little girl talk, which was very nice, and get some really nice gifts as well. So yes, I know it's been a while. I haven't done any video because I'm in school and the pressure is on. The course is so intense. Like practical nursing is so compact. It's crazy. Like I woke up this morning, like last time before I went to my bed, I did an assignment, okay? And then I woke up this morning and I did another assignment before I went to the restaurant. Like, so when I'm at the restaurant, it's pretty much like I'm on bank time. You understand? And I'm back. I have a persuasive essay that I have to do. You understand? So it's so hard for me to be vlogging and doing all of this. But yes, me miss on it too. Me miss on a whole lot. And I will be having some contents coming, just with some time management and a little break from school. At the end of April, I should be able to do some video. Okay? We found a nice little spot downtown called Lugs Bloom Floor Coffee, and it's pretty much like this nice little coffee shop that is all pink, everything pink chair, pink cup, everything girly and pink and cute. Nice flower back wall or backdrop, whatever you call that. And they do like floral arrangements and stuff like that. So all girly, all pinky, everything blessing, right? So we really had a good time eating there. It was so much fun. And let's play some game and see how that goes. Then I good?
It's good. This is not very sweet.
I just got a regular French vanilla latte.
Lisa has a vanilla latte.
I just have a regular vanilla latte. Vanilla latte, just a regular vanilla latte. So we're doing something with blessing. Everybody doing something.
I am blessed.
Amen.
I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed.
Hey,
When I wake up in the morning, when I lay my head to rest, I am blessed. I am blessed.
Wonderful, mommy.
Blessing off the floor like a river. Blessing off the floor like a river. Blessing off the floor like a river. Blessing off the floor like a river.
No, go on, Ariana.
Wait,
Okay.
wait, go
Watch that me on our phone.
You are blessed in the city, you're blessed in the field, you're blessed when you come, when you go, you cast down every stronghold. Sickness and poverty must flee, cause the enemy is defeated. You are blessed, blessed.
Oh yeah.
If you know life, you know me. Stop on my face, I'm like, oh, I'm blessed.
Oh yeah.
I'm blessed.
Oh yeah.
Ask me how I'm doing, I'm blessed.
Uh-huh.
Living all life, you know me. Just stop on my face, I'm like, oh, I'm blessed.
Bless.
I'm blessed.
Bless. Woo! Okay, Auntie Kika, you ready?
Blessing and honor,
Oh yes.
glory and power. You are the nations of from every nation, all of creation, and for the ancients of days. And from heaven and earth shall declare your glory, every knee shall bow at your throne, and worship you be exalted, O God. And your kingdom shall not pass away. O ancients of days. Bless, bless, bless.
Oh yeah. Okay, my mommy song to bless you now. There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be season refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops, runners are falling, but for the showers we plead. Normally, do I show the one on me now?
No, no. We take off and cut.
We take off our cut and then you measure it to the one with the closest. I get to take off. I like your shirt.
All pink and pretty.
Ready for the event.
This is me.
Yeah, I have to give credit.
So should I get up so you can see the belly?
Yeah, we have to make just a look moment.
Oh my God.
No, sir.
If you want to break it, I'm going to mirror reveal.
You say you now make it to me, no?
Oh, that make color?
No.
Okay, so
I
I just told her that today.
No, but a man can't say it now and beg your birthday.
Do me a beg you in the name of Jesus. We can take another one.
Down here, right?
Yeah.
Then the button.
Okay. Where you want me to cut it?
Make sure it's round your
Where?
mommy. Mommy, put
Right
it
here?
Mommy, put it round you.
Let the lady. I'm make this not our first rodeo, you know.
You're flat. You're estimate.
Okay, I'm managed. Where you want me to cut it?
Okay. I'm not going to cheat out mommy out again.
Yeah, that is much better right there. She was sticking up.
So, remember I was supposed to go at the end. Yeah, okay. So where you want it to go?
Okay.
About here.
So hold it forward, hold it together, and you will see.
Oh, yes, Lisa, that look good.
To me,
And you will see that Lisa's stomach.
Wow, that looks fantastic.
Yes, about here.
About
take a
here,
check there.
Ariana, use the broom.
And then I'm back and construction, blessing of come after the party done. Let's show.
Blessing off the floor like a river. Hey. No, you just hold it where you want it.
Before time.
I know.
When them ready, them come.
Blessing can't come anytime now, she fully intact.
Oh.
We never win this time. We come here.
They're laughing up. And they keep everything I know. And they're mad. Then turn you over.
Oh God, dinner.
It's good?
Sandwich nice. Me not gonna order it, but bacon in there. I should just tell them without the bacon.
You're missing out, man.
She not eat shrimp, she not eat lobster, she not eat.
But you could have asked them to take the bacon
Look
out.
at the goodies. Oh, that's all right.
Yes, here. $25 for the ticket.
So, who first string one go first? But
Me just tell me one
you guys
first.
weren't supposed to take this color, you know. I forgot to tell you.
I did. Oh. First measurements. Mommy, you lose. You're too short or you're too long.
Oh, you know mine different from yours.
So you would know the difference because you know your measurement. Put something on it. Yeah.
I'm gonna put a tape on mine.
Yeah, there you go.
No, save the winner for last.
Raw tape.
We're going around the
Okay, so
table.
Dana, let me do yours.
Mine look like it's too short.
Can go.
Underestimate blessings.
Oh my gosh! I was so
So
close.
Dana is the closest.
But you can't go over.
You can't go under. You can go
You
over.
can't go over.
You can't go under.
Okay, so the next game is guessing what fruit the baby is. I have pineapple. I have
Don't give no clue.
no
No.
clue.
You have to guess what size the baby is at this stage.
So you don't want me to get no fruit. We could give 6 fruits.
Close to when close to when the baby born. The baby is about 7. At least have big picnic 8 pound baby.
No, give us the 6 fruit.
So Nikki, which fruit do we 8 pound and 9 pound?
No, no.
Guess.
All right, let me tell you the fruit them. Okay, so pineapple, coconut jelly, pumpkin, honeydew melon, cantaloupe, grapes. So pick from that they listed. Want me to go over it again?
The funny thing is,
Sugar cane.
maybe it's a good thing she give it. She give it list because when me write, I got me right too.
What?
But I told me right. I told me right.
In watermelon too big.
Watch this here. Me just rip off the watermelon. I still have my next one. I 2 minutes right.
Me say, me I feel one pay that's Okay, so you guys ready? What you have, Ariana?
Pineapple.
We have Tammy.
Honey,
We have Dana.
I have pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Honeydew melon.
Okay.
Pineapple.
Okay.
Yeah, Nikki. She's
Yeah.
you know, give her $5 all time.
Next game, you have to unwrap.
Where possible?
No, you have to unwrap here. No, you have to unwrap
I
it.
have to right now.
Yeah.
Okay. There is an important question for you. Oh, this is so sweet.
Turn it around, make me see.
I need an extra pair of hands. Let me see.
So make me look to know.
Help me learn and grow. I know that.
Lisa, you can't do the best way. You can't make people do something easy with ball.
That is so sweet.
Nah.
Lisa. That's very nice.
Okay.
Mama, how to help you?
You want to help me?
Coochie.
I'm gonna try to open.
No!
Ooh.
What?
Oh, nice teddy bear for blessing.
Yeah, that's always remember that is stuffy. Mommy, look, that's the baby. See, look, mommy.
I see, baby.
We can see.
Ooh, this is so cute. For a blessing. Thank you so much, Auntie Nikki. Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, that's for
To wash her hair.
Yeah.
Mhm.
What?
Oh, these are so cute.
What?
Oh, she got a nice blanket.
Yeah, go to sleep.
So go to sleep. Oh, wow, that's so nice. Oh, look, she got a tutu.
Let me see you.
Ah, more soap and books. Oh, I love my mommy. Oh, thank you so much, Auntie Nikki. This gift is awesome. Oh, so cute.
What?
Socks. They're so cute.
How good for baby.
It's for baby. Yeah, it's for Shine.
Yeah, ask.
For Shine, baby. Then Michaela won't give me a chance to unpack. She unpacked everything.
Let me help you pocket.
And person get nice Vaseline. This is so nice. I had more added and more Johnson product added. Tired, Mickey?
Yeah?
This is from her godmother,
Yeah?
Auntie Dana.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is so cute. She full of blanket. My goodness. Blessing you are blessed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye. Mickey want to say bye too. You say bye?
Bye.
Are you excited for baby sister?
Yeah?
Yeah. What's her name? Blessing?
Blessing.